Mira que n'és de golafre.
Aquest pastís és de Flying Dragons, dona mal.
It's been fun, but now I've got to go. Life is way too short to take it slow. But before I go and hit the road, I gotta know. Till then, when can we do this again? When can I see you again? When can we do this again? I gotta know. When can I see you again?
Si us ha agradat aquest vídeo, no oblideu subscriure-us, és una cosa molt important per Flying Dragons.